Eto na naman po, pabalik na naman ako at para ituloy na po natin ang Exodus 24. Ano po ba ang nilalaman ng Exodus 24? Exodus 24 is about confirming God's covenant with the people through obedience, worship, and His holy presence. After giving His laws, God established the covenant with Israel. The people willingly promised to obey him. Moses confirmed the covenant with sacrifices and then went up Mount Sinai, where they experienced God's glorious presence and received further instruction. The chapter reminds us that our relationship with God is based on His grace, our commitment to obey Him, and our desire to draw near to Him with reverence and faith. So, ang pagkumpirma po yan, pinagtibay ng kautusan. Tama? Ng kautusan ng Panginoon. At ang relasyon natin ng Israelites sa ating Panginoon. Obedience is our response to God's covenant. The Israelite declared, everything the Lord has said, we will do. Verse 3. So, yun po ang isa sa pinakamatinding covenant na nakipag-isa ang Israelites, nangako, nag-promise na susundin nila ang lahat ng sinabi ng Panginoon. God's covenant is holy and precious. The covenant was confirmed with sacrifices and the sprinkling of blood, symbolizing forgiveness and commitment. So, yun po yung kasunduan nila, pagkakaisa nila, yung covenant nila sa Panginoon. Worship God with reverence. Moses, Aaron, Nadab, Abihu, and the elders worship the Lord with deep respect. God invites us into His presence. God called Moses up to the mountain to be near Him and receive His instruction. Nung magpunta po siya sa Mount Sinai, doon po siya nakipag-usap sa Panginoon. Matagal po yun, tagal po niya nag-stay doon, kaya nung lumabas po siya sa Mount Sinai, dala-dala po niya yung kasunduan na 10 Commandments. Okay, God's glory is awesome and holy. The glory of the Lord covered Mount Sinai like a consuming fire. God is loving, but He is also holy and worthy of our deepest respect. So, yan po ang nilalaman ng ating Exodus chapter 24. Then Moses went up on the mountain and the cloud covered it. The glory of the Lord settled on Mount Sinai. Exodus 24:15-16. Amen. To God be the glory. Nawa Panginoon, ang bawat isang nakikinig ng iyong banal na salita ay tumimo sa kanilang mga puso. Panginoon, tinataas ko sa iyo ang grupo ng Prayer Warrior Group. Nawa suguin niyo po ang karapat-dapat ng mga young generation na makasama namin sa pananalangin, sa pagbabasa ng Holy Bible every day, every night. To God be the glory.